This DIY energy device can generate endless energy to power your home, trailer, or cottage, something not possible until now. It's so easy that you can build it at home. If you don't want to keep using the unreliable power grid, or just tired of relying on the big energy monopolies, then listen up. A top engineer just revealed a breakthrough device that not only gives you complete energy independence with clean energy to power your home naturally, but also allows you to create your own personal power source. This DIY energy device provides the most reliable off-the-grid energy source that you can use, especially in cases of emergency. It's completely disaster-proof, portable, lightweight, and you can power anything in your home without paying any electric bill. And the best part is, it's so easy, and you can make it at home without spending 5 figures on solar panels or fueling up a noisy generator. This DIY energy device has already helped 17,000 people achieve energy independence, overcome disasters such as hurricanes, snowstorms, and floods, and even save them tons of expenses on electric bills. Just like it works for them, imagine how it will feel when it works for you too. So I encourage you to stop everything you're doing and click the Watch More button to see the short, free video that shows you exactly what this device is and how it works. Remember, this DIY energy device has nothing to do with solar panels or any expensive energy alternative, and it can power your home, cottage, trailer, or even be used while you're camping. Even a 70-year-old person who has struggled with using a computer for 7 years can easily build this energy device and generate endless power for their family. Just imagine, no more dependence on unstable power supply, no more worrying about blackouts and the inconvenience they bring to your family. Best of all, save on high electric bills every single month and travel around the world with your family again. But hurry, the big energy companies have already removed this video from the internet twice before to keep this natural energy source a secret and safeguard their insane profits. So it's uncertain how long this video will remain available this time. So watch now before it's too late. Trust me, you won't regret it. This DIY energy device is the best thing that has ever happened to me, and it will work for you too.